This court is now in session. Accuser, who have you brought before me today?
Your Honor, I have before you today people of disgrace and disloyalty to the kingdom. These are some of the worst criminals I have seen. They have broken so many of your laws and seem to have no remorse for their actions. These are blatant crimes against humanity, against themselves, and most importantly, against you and your sacred laws. I say that each and every one of them should be punished with the worst severe punishment that the law allows.
Let them speak. In their defense, I will listen.
Lawbreaker number 1, please stand. You have been charged with the heinous crime of theft. You were caught in the act of robbing one of the largest financial institutions in the kingdom. There were many witnesses present, and the stolen evidence was found in your possession. I cannot imagine what you could possibly say in your defense, being that you are so obviously guilty, but you may speak.
Your Honor, I beg the court to have mercy on me. I know I was wrong in what I did. I can only make excuses. My parents were bad to me, and I got in with the wrong crowd. I've never learned how to live an honest life. I know that the punishment for my crime is severe, and I know that I deserve that. I have broken a very important law. All I can do is fall upon the mercy of this court.
There can be no mercy for you. All the crimes must be dealt with. There is a punishment and you must take it. A law that is broken cannot be just swept under the table because the criminal cried for mercy. There are consequences. There is a punishment for every crime. You may sit back down. Lying lawbreaker, stand up. You have been charged with lying. You are a horrible liar, and many lives have been affected and been hurt beyond repair. And I don't think you even know how to speak the truth anymore. This crime is one of the worst crimes.
Worst crimes? How could lying be as bad as stealing or murder? I just told a few white lies.
A lie is a lie, no matter what color you attach it to. The lies you have told have hurt countless people. It has affected their livelihoods, their families, and relationships, all done for your own personal gain. There is a law against speaking a falsehood, and someone as guilty as you are, having been caught in numerous lies, should be punished to the full extent of the law.
That's not fair. Think of the chance. I can stop lying. Really, I can. You've got to give me another chance. I can do better. I don't know why I have become such a liar. Maybe no one taught me how to speak the truth and how important it is. I know that there is the law against lying, but I have not been before the judge before. So I think, Your Honor, you should go easy on me. You know, in baseball, there are 3 strikes before you're out.
This is not a game. There are no second chances when you break the law of the kingdom. You are guilty and you must pay.
How much is the fine?
More than you can afford. Now sit down.
Will that be all, accuser?
Yes, Your Honor. Seems like an easy decision if you ask me.
As the judge and lawgiver in this kingdom, the final decision of the fate of these individuals rests completely and solely in my hands. As all law-abiding citizens should know, the laws are there for our protection and to keep us righteous and honest in all our endeavors. Just because people around us are breaking the law, it does not excuse us from our own crimes. Perhaps we were not taught right from wrong, or our past circumstances and environments have gotten us in bad situations. But these things don't matter when the law is the law, and that hasn't changed. You are all guilty of breaking the law, and the punishment is very sincere indeed. As you all know, as judge and lawgiver, I am also the Lord over all the land. all final decisions rest in my hands. In the good book it says of the Lord and lawgiver, if your Lord should mark iniquities, O Lord, who could stand? But there is forgiveness with you, that you may be feared. For with the Lord there is loving kindness, and with him is abundant redemption.
Of course, Your Honor, but surely you also require that your laws be upheld, and that punishment be dealt to all convicted lawbreakers. Your law states that they must pay for their crimes against you and the kingdom.
And the law will be carried out.
Very good, Your Honor. Lawbreakers, rise for your sentence.
I hereby state that the criminals who stand before me today are guilty of their crimes. However, they will not suffer the punishment for those crimes, and will now let them go free,
But Your
forever
Honor,
forgiven of all charges.
but Your Honor, you cannot break your own laws. The law states that they must be punished. These crimes must not go unpunished.
And they shall not. The punishment will go to another.
To another, who?
I will take the punishment for them. I will take their place.
But Your Honor, the punishment for these crimes is death.
I will die for them. I will die but once, so that all might find forgiveness. Leave.